Hey everyone, welcome back to HosterPK. Today, we will learn how to upgrade PHP version.
Step 1 is to log into the control panel, cPanel. There are two ways to access your control panel on HosterPK. Method 1 is to log in through client area first. Log in to the HosterPK client area. Once you're in, click on the hosting plan you've purchased. A new window will open on the left side menu. You'll see an option that says cPanel Login. Click on it, and boom, you're inside your control panel. Method 2, through direct URL. You can also log in by typing your domain name followed by kpnl in your browser. Enter your cPanel credentials, and you're in. You're in the cPanel dashboard.
Now I'll show you 3 simple ways to upgrade your website's PHP version directly from your hosting client area. Let's get started. First, after log into your client area, scroll down to the software section and click on Select PHP version. As soon as you click, you'll be redirected to the PHP selector page. This page shows your website's current PHP version, for example, PHP 8.1. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, you can upgrade or downgrade to any PHP version available. That's it. Super quick and easy. Now let's move to the second method, Multi-PHP Manager. This page also shows your current PHP version for each domain. Simply select your domain, then choose the PHP version you want. From the drop-down, click Apply, and you're done. This is the most authentic and reliable method to upgrade your PHP version. Third method, from your client area, open File Manager. Navigate to the main directory of your website, which is usually called public_HTML. Inside this folder, look for the .htaccess file. If you don't see it right away, make sure that hidden files are enabled in the settings, because sometimes the .htaccess file is hidden by default. Once you find it, right-click on the file and select Edit from the top menu. Now, inside the file, you'll see some configuration lines. Here, you can manually update the PHP handler line to the version you want. For example, change it from PHP 8.3 to PHP 8.4. Save the file and refresh your website. The changes will take effect immediately. This method gives you full manual control over your PHP version, but it requires a bit of caution, because if you enter the wrong line or remove something important, your site could stop working. And that's it. You now know 3 different ways to upgrade your website's PHP version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,